Hey, if your tinfoil downloads are painfully slow, yeah, that can be really frustrating, but don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to improve tinfoil download speed safely and effectively. First, test your internet speed. If your Wi-Fi signal is weak or unstable, downloads will be slow. Move closer to your router or switch to a faster network if possible. You can also restart your router to refresh the connection. If your router supports it, connect to the 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi band. It usually provides faster and more stable download speeds compared to 2.4 gigahertz. Slow speeds can also come from the server you're downloading from. If possible, try switching to a different source or mirror with better performance. Make sure no other device or app is using heavy bandwidth. Pause streaming, updates, or other downloads while using Tinfoil. Using an outdated version can sometimes affect performance. Make sure you're running the latest stable version for the best speed and compatibility. So, yeah, checking your internet, switching to 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi, changing download sources, reducing network usage, and updating Tinfoil can significantly improve download speed. Try these steps and your downloads should be much faster.